Hey guys, Harrison here, and holy our softbox is a pain to set up. It's not that they're even that hard to set up, it's just that the instructions are either useless or don't even exist. So let me show you how to set one up so you don't have to go through the pain that I did. So in this video, I'm just setting up a cheap $50 softbox I found on eBay, but these instructions apply to pretty much any softbox that you could find. Alright, so there's three main parts to any sort of softbox that you'll find. There's the bulb, there's the light stand, and then there's also the softbox itself. So the first part that we need is the light stand. So grab the light stand and we're going to unscrew the legs, fold them out so that it's able to stand up, and then tighten the legs back up. So now we're going to take the softbox out of its little carrying case and just put the diffuser to one side for a second. And now we're going to mount the softbox onto the light stand. So to do that, all you've got to do is loosen the clamp on the very back of the softbox, and that'll allow you to just slide the softbox down on top of the light stand. And once it's on, don't forget to tighten it back up. Now this is the bit that confused me. We've got to go to the front of the softbox, and there's going to be a ring with some metal pieces coming out from it. We've got to push that metal ring all the way to the back of the softbox, right into the other ring, and you'll hear a sort of a click sound when they're securely together. Now we're going to grab the bulb and take it out of the box it came in, and then we're just going to hold it by the base as much as we can, and then screw it into the mount inside the softbox. So this softbox only has one bulb, but you might find softboxes that have 2, 4, even more bulbs. So just take the time to make sure you screw them all in and that they're all in tight. Now you could leave it like this. The softbox will work just fine, but I recommend that you grab the diffuser that we put to the side before, and we'll just put it over the front of the softbox to give it a more diffused and a softer light. So just grab the diffuser and we'll fold it over the edges of the softbox, and normally there's going to be some sort of Velcro that you want to connect as well. Now just plug it in, make sure the softbox is switched on, and there you go. See? Not too hard, with a bit of a hand. That's all there really is to it though. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll get a chance to enjoy your softboxes now. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, on Twitter and on Instagram. Apart from that though, thanks for watching. I'll catch ya in the next video.